I got white hair.
You tell them what you're doing. Wait. Sorry y'all, don't mind the vent noise, but I just wanted to show y'all some behind the scenes of me crafting and creating some customized items for a luxury girls trip that I am a part of. Well, I'm not going, but I've been a part of the creative process. So here is my little setup. I'm working in the dining room because my craft room is currently chaotic. So I'm just showing y'all everything I got going on. Here are all the flasks. Here are some of the flasks I started to customize, and this is just the vinyl and transfer tape that I use to put the vinyl onto the item. So right now we're using flasks, and then I have like all of the things that I'm putting on the flask organized here. And as you can see, I'm very organized. The thing would go off. The noise would go away as soon as I get done recording. But anyways, I wanted to take y'all behind the scenes with me and my creative process. This is the Luxury Girls Trip edition. So hopefully I'll get some good content to throw in on my channel. I know I will. But like I said, this is the vinyl. It's permanent vinyl, and this is transfer tape that I just used to peel off. See how easily that comes up? And then I just take it and lay it across the flask. As y'all can see, that wasn't a good idea doing that. And because it almost got stuck. And this is permanent, so it shouldn't even come off once it's wet or whatever. And then boom. So I'll be back when I'm done to show y'all the finished product, and then I still have to do t-shirts, so I might take y'all along that creative process as well. Okay, they are finished. I'm not gonna show y'all all of them, but y'all get the idea. Super cute. So I organized everything. Like I told y'all, I finished the flask, and I just went through and made a list. When you're doing group trips, you want to double, triple check and make sure you're not spelling anybody's name wrong. You don't want to mix up the wrong sizes with shirts. So I went ahead and sorted out smalls, medium, larges, extra larges, and then I went through and made a list of whose name goes with whose title. And then I'm going to print out each title and place them with the sizes before I press them. So yeah, it's a lot that goes into this. And I look crazy. I've been up since 4 this morning, so when I fed my baby, I just pretty much got to work. So yeah, I'll be back with the finished product. I plan to ship these today. If I don't, it's not a big deal. I just want to give myself some time to relax and not rush, and for shipping purposes. So yeah, I will be back to show y'all the finished results. And yeah, so bye.
I got white hair.
You tell them what you're doing.
I'm helping Mommy with her hookah.
No, I'm making shirts. So basically, I'm weeding out the letters, the negative space in between. And when I pull the vinyl off, I give him the excess vinyl. Stick it right on a piece of tape. My little helper. You like doing this? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
You like helping me? Do you think you should get something? What do you think you should get for helping me?
Money and toys.
Toys? What are you gonna buy with your money?
Workout stuff.
Workout stuff, okay.
What workout stuff?
Oh, you want that
setup.
that
Workout
bench?
setup.
Yeah. I'll show y'all the workout setup
Daddy
that he
have.
wants. It's like the little bench press and
Yeah, Daddy have. The one that you have outside. Just
Yeah,
don't
for-
have the weights.
for kids.
Yeah. They have the whole setup with the whole thing.
You seen it before?
Yeah, cool.
Of course.
This one.
Yeah, I'm going down. Left to right.
Like this. Up, down, up, down.
Yep, I think that's all of it. Ooh, you helped me. We did that fast. Fast, baby. We a good team. You think so?
Yeah. You see my white hair? You see my white fingers? But she's down.
Okay, let's get done. Let's show them our handshake. Wait. Okay. I'll let you know when I need you. You can go watch your tablet if you want to. Or you want to stay in here?
I want to take this paper off. I'm going to peel it off.
Baby. Let me
I'm going to just peel it.
Okay.
Like this.
Because I don't want the letters to start lifting off, so I need you to let me hand it to you. Be careful, watch out, because I don't want the scissors to cut you either. When I hand it to you, just set it right there.
It's sticky.
That's why I don't want you touching it, because it's going to get messed up. And I need to be able to see the parts that we missed, so I don't.
We missed 2 parts.
Okay, I'll see it here.
So I'll do right here. We have to turn it all with the same. How come when you sit at the end?
I missed a lot of parts.
Yeah. But she are blind.
I am blind. See, you're doing too much now. Just leave it alone.
You missed it so much because I learned to.
I know, I need you to step back some because I got these scissors. Yeah.
You missed it so much. Look.
It's okay. We catching them.
It's
That's
a
why you
lot.
need to be my extra eyes.
I can see so much. Look, see? Because I got you blind with the glasses on.
I'm blind with these glasses on?
Yeah, because you cannot see. Look at that. Look at that one. Mr. Lie. Mr. Lie.
Thank you, helper.
You missed a whole bunch.
Okay, any more?
One more check. This one fine. I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna set it right here.
The ones that are good?
Uh-huh.
Okay, thank you.
That one fine. What? It's so easy to take it off now.
Yeah, but if you touch it too many times, they start lifting.
What?
Okay.
What the? Now all of these are for you. I just set all of them up. Oh my god, why is this one sticking together and it's easy? See? It's easy now. It's easy now because it just sticks together a little bit. This one goes fine. The last one. This one fine. The la- Also, you go take this clear thing off and then put the names on it. Who's this for?
Your cousin Melanie's friends, they going on a trip.
Kai?
Melanie.
Oh, Melanie?
Yep.
Melanie mom and stuff? What? How do we have so much kids and stuff?
Grown-ups, they going on a trip.
Melanie's mom? Why are you recording me? Why
We
are
need
you recording
content.
me?
I thought you wanted to be a YouTuber.
I'm a YouTuber. Why did you say I'm a YouTuber?
You're not a YouTuber?
I'm not yet.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Let's start right now.
Huh?
You gotta start your YouTube channel.
I remember I just started my YouTube channel a week ago. Hello, me dudes. Yeah, but I want me. And yeah, why is there numbers on this thing?
That means that it's recording. Wait,
Okay, guys, we'll be back and to the next show. Bye.
Okay, so this is how they look pressed. And I just have to do all of the other ones. With all the shirts, everything is ready to go to Mexico.
Hi you guys, this is Melanie, traveling auntie. We are at the Luxury Girls Trip 2022. This is our view from the resort. It is everything, but I just want to show y'all what we got going on. for these gift bags that Sequoia Create customized for us. So I told all the girls to tell me what they wanted to be. I'm traveling auntie, so I wanted to know what they wanted to be, traveling what. And so she hooked us up. They are literally everything. These are the backs of the shirts, like jersey vibes, and these are the front of them. And then of course we have Flasks, because I mean, I just feel like Hot Girl Summer is incomplete without it. So we're just putting them together and getting the gift bags together now. I'm gonna leave them down in the lobby, literally just like this. So as the girls see them, they can pick them up and not have to do too much. So yes, this is everything. Sequoia is so awesome. So this is gonna be so cute. We're gonna do a cocktail party later on today. These are gonna be for our boat party. We have a private yacht, so all the girls are gonna have this, so they can have their 1942, their Don Julio, their Casamigos, whatever they like, their Hennessy White, whatever. So we're gonna get more footage from actually being on a boat with these, and we're gonna wear these at our cocktail party tonight. So cheers, y'all.